Cambly learners. My name is Dana, and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today, you'll be learning about comparative adjectives. First of all, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a person, place, or thing. Adjectives are words like tall, fast, and old. A comparative adjective is used to show the difference between two or more people, places, or things. For adjectives with just one syllable, we add ER to the end of the word to use it as a comparative adjective. Let's look at some examples. Tall, taller. The man is tall. The giraffe is taller than the man. Short, shorter. The child is short. The duck is shorter than the child. Fast, faster. The horse is fast. The car is faster than the horse. Slow, slower. The baby is slow. The turtle is slower than the baby. Old, older. Grandpa is old. The dinosaur is older than Grandpa. Young, younger. The girl is young. The baby is younger than the girl. Hot, hotter. The coffee is hot. The campfire is hotter than the coffee. Cold, colder. The ice cream is cold. The igloo is colder than the ice cream. We often add ER to the end of adjectives with two syllables. Happy, happier. The boy is happy. The man is happier than the boy. When an adjective ends in Y, we change the Y to the letter I and then add ER to use it as the comparative. For some adjectives with two syllables and all adjectives with three or more syllables, we put the word more in front to use them as the comparative. Let's start with two-syllable words. Tangled, more tangled. The hair is tangled. The rope is more tangled. Tilted, more tilted. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is tilted. The picture frame is more tilted. Next, let's look at three-syllable words. Expensive, more expensive. The shoes are expensive. The watch is more expensive. Important, more important. Her toys are important. Her family is more important. Aww. Some adjectives are irregular, so to use them as a comparative adjective, we can't add ER to the end of the word. We have to use a different word instead. Let's look at some examples. Good, better. The second place trophy is good. The first place trophy is better. Bad, worse. The man feels bad. The baby feels worse. Oh. Little, less. The first glass has a little water. The second glass has less water. Far, farther. The store is far away. The house is farther away. Let's review. For adjectives with one syllable, we add ER to the end of the word. For adjectives with two syllables, we sometimes put ER on the end of the word, or we might add more in front of the word instead. For adjectives with three or more syllables, we add more in front of the word. For irregular adjectives, we use a different word. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!